how to recover your Microsoft account without email. So if you want to recover your Microsoft account without email, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to go with your browser. On your browser, you need to go with search, and under search, you need to search for Microsoft. After searching, you need to go with www.microsoft.com, and you need to go with sign in, which is on the top right. So click on sign in, and it will take you to this kind of interface. Now you just need simply enter your email, your phone number, or your Skype. So I'll just simply go with the email address and go with next. And you can go with your Authenticator app. So if you have the Authenticator app, then you can open up your mobile device and you just need simply go with the notification that you receive, and you need to press 96 on your application on your Android. So once you press 96 on the application, then it will automatically approve your login on your desktop. So as you can see that the login has been approved. Now, if you don't have the Authenticator option, then you can go with your email address and go with next, and you can go with the notification. So you'll receive the notification on your email address and you'll be able to recover your account. But if you don't have your email address, then you can go with other ways to sign in, which is on the left side. And you can use your face, fingerprint, PIN, or security key, or you can approve a request using your Microsoft app that you have on your device, Android device, and you can use your password. So if you don't have your email, then you can go with use my password, and then you can use your password. These were the ways that you can sign in, but without these, you will not be able to recover your account. And you'll also have other option like phone number. If you've added your phone number, then you will also have an option to recover your Microsoft account with your phone number. You can go with the phone number option also. So these were the ways on how you can recover your Microsoft account without your email. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.